Hello dear students, welcome to the 8th chapter of history, tribals, communities and colonization. Here we have to understand the meaning of the tribal. The term tribals refers to the Adivasis. Adivasis means Adi and Vasi. Adi means beginning and Vasi means residents, inhabitants. पूर्व समाज में रहने वाले वासी, that is called tribal communities. There were many tribal groups in India. They had a distinct culture of their own. Examples are Mundas, Santhals, Gonds and Khond, Khasis and Nagas. So these are the different types of the society of the tribals. Student, tribal societies varies their tradition, their customs, and they enjoy that also. As you can see that these tribals are enjoying their customs and tradition. They don't live at one place. They move from one place to another and enjoy their customs. The tribals were totally dependent on the forest. Tribals mostly live in forests and hilly areas, so they are dependent on the forest. Main activities like hunting, gathering and rearing. They gathered forest products and practice shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation means that they don't live on one place, they move one land to another. They select a patch of land and then clear it, and by cutting down the trees and burning them. So these are the means of their livelihood. Now, how did British rule affect the tribals? You know, students, in the previous chapters, you have come to know also that East India Company came to India for trade and later on become the sovereign power there. During the expansion of its territory, it came into contact with different sections of the society. So tribals are also part of that society that's severely affected by the policies adopted by the company. So let us see how did British rule affect the tribals. Tribal dispossessed of their land, high revenue demand, changes in the forest laws, role of traders and moneylenders, role of Christian missionaries, tribal chiefs. As a result, many tribal revolt took place. Again, see first tribal dispossess of their land. ट्राइबल्स को ब्रिटिश के द्वारा उनके लैंड से निकाल दिया गया. हाई रेवेन्यू डिमांड, they were asked to pay the high taxes. They made many changes in the forest laws, and the role of traders and moneylenders also affected the life of the tribals. They were also affected by the role of Christian missionaries. Tribal chiefs also get affected by the policies adopted by the British. So as a result, many tribals revolt took place. In the 19th century, many tribals revolted. The rebellion by the Mundas is one of the example of that. They wanted and aimed on reforming the society. The head of that tribal was Birsa Munda, and they wanted and aimed on reforming the society. So in this way, we have come to know the livelihood of the tribals. Thank you. Have a nice day.